Hello. Okay, looks like it's that time of the month. Once again, Loot Crate, or rather, several Loot Crates. Yeah. So as you all know, every month I do a Loot Crate unboxing, and you might have noticed for the past few months I haven't released a Loot Crate video. There has been a very good reason for that. Long story short, I recently moved home, so I'm having to have my mail redirected, and consequently something got lost in translation because I haven't received a Loot Crate in about 3 months. Until today, where I received 3 Loot Crates in one go, which is pretty bloody awesome if I do say so myself. But the fact that they were late isn't anything to do with Loot Crate. I should point that out. It's actually to do with Royal Mail, but we'll just move on from that. So I went onto my Twitter page and I asked you guys if you'd like to see me unbox just one, or if you'd like to see me do like a speed run of unboxing all 3 crates, and you all collectively said unbox them all, so here we are. I will say though, before I start, I am going to take my coat off because ironically it's boiling in here. There we go, that's better. So for those of you that have watched my Loot Crate videos before in the past, this video is going to be slightly different because I am opening 3 crates and I don't want this video to be super long. I am going to open these in kind of a speed run, so I'm not going to dwindle too much on each particular item. I hope that's okay. And for those of you that haven't watched my Loot Crate videos before in the past, I'll quickly sum up what these little boxes are all about. Inside these boxes is usually about 5 awesome things. A t-shirt, usually pop figures or some kind of gadget, and keychains, that kind of stuff. Just fun little things. I always do my unboxings live on camera, so I've not seen what's in the boxes at all, so we discover what's in them together. And they're always centered around one particular theme. So as I'm going to be unboxing 3 boxes this time, I'm going to be unboxing 3 separate themes. So these boxes are from October, November and December 2018. And the themes are for October, Cursed, for November, Laboratory, and for December, Scavenge. And as always, I have no idea what to expect from any of the boxes. It's always a nice surprise. I should also point out what's going on my face, as always. Whenever I do these unboxing videos, I like doing them in my previous makeup tutorials makeup, just because I think it makes it a little bit more visually interesting and fun. This makeup is meant to be my frostbitten makeup, which I'll pop a link on the screen there to the video if you'd like to learn how to do this makeup for yourself. But aside from all that, let's open some boxes, because we've got a lot to go through. Yeah. So, let's start with October's box for Cursed. Okay, this is going to be really difficult not to waffle on, because I do love waffling on, as you all know, so I'll try and make this as quick as possible. Let's do this. Okay, so I'll grab the t-shirt first, because they always come with a t-shirt. Oh. Oops. Oh. Okie dokie. So that's weird. There's nothing else in the box, just the t-shirt. Right. Okay, that's not right. So I'll revisit that in a sec. For now, I'm gonna have a look at the t-shirt. That's weird. I'll let you guys see it first, as always. What's it like? Let's have a look. Oh, that's pretty fabulous. That's Attack on Titan, and I love the colour. I still can't get out of my head though why there's only one thing in this box. That's really confused me. It's thrown me through a loop. If this is your first time watching me unbox Loot Crate, this isn't what usually happens. The joys of unboxing these live. Yeah. But yeah, so I absolutely love Attack on Titan, so I love this t-shirt. It's awesome. And I guess that's going to make this video a whole lot easier, the fact that this is completely empty. This is definitely not right. Okay, so I just went through my emails and I did have an email from Loot Crate. I didn't realise, it's been sitting there for a while. Turns out there was a mistake with the October's box and they have sent out the rest of the stuff separate to Loot Crate. I know they did that once with a t-shirt. Consequently, I haven't received that yet because, as you know, the mail redirection and whatnot, so at some point that will turn up and I'll probably do a video on it then, but I guess that's October's box done. Well, thank God I've got another 2 boxes really, innit? Unless they're empty. Okay, so on to November's box, which is considerably heavier, thank God for that. So the theme for this box is Laboratory. Let's have a look and hope to God that there's something else in it other than a t-shirt. In all the years I've been collecting Loot Crate, that hasn't happened. Okay, so we have other things in here, but there's the t-shirt, awesome possum. So I'll let you see it first. Bloop, bloop. Again, it's a black t-shirt, so I'm a happy bunny. Oh, hang on, that's Westworld. Oh, that's bloody fantastic. I friggin' love Westworld. I love the original film Westworld and I love Future World and all that jazz, but I watched season 1 and 2 of the revamped version of Westworld like religiously. I bloody love Anthony Hopkins, and if you haven't seen Westworld, go and watch season 1 and 2. They're freaking awesome. But yeah, that's amazing. I love that. Okay, next we have a box. And the box is just a box. Okay. I have no idea what this is. Hang on. Oh, it's Breaking Bad. Or depends how you look at it, Better Call Saul or Breaking Bad, one of the 2. Look, okay, this makes me happy. Hey, oh, that's fabulous. Oh my god, right, I'm going off subject here, and this is probably gonna make the video extra long, but as you guys know, whenever I have a drink, I pop something on top of it, because I'm a bit weird, I don't like dust going in my drink, that kind of stuff. I always have like a topper. So the fact that this is a drinking flask made of plastic, and it's got a plastic lid that you actually screw to put on tight, makes me really happy. All that aside, I bloody love Breaking Bad, and I bloody love Better Call Saul. So it's Los Pollos Hermanos, so it's the Chicken Brothers? Yeah. Oh my god. That's another series actually. If you've not seen Breaking Bad, go and watch it. You'll be addicted. You'll lose about a week of your life binge watching it if you're anything like me, but it was an amazing series, and Better Call Saul equally as awesome. But no, this is really good. Okay, so next we have, boom. Oh, it's a little sister. It's Bioshock. Look how cute. It's a figure. Let's have a look. Oh, that's adorable and really random. There's not been a new Bioshock game out that I'm not aware of, is there? Excellent game series, by the way. I'll definitely recommend them. I mean, this is adorable, but really, really unusual. Actually, that brings me on to another point. At some point, I did want to do a Big Daddy makeup tutorial. I've been wanting to do it for a long time, so leave that with me. So next, I think we're nearly done. Yeah, okay, so we have this. So this is Spider-Man. Okie dokie. Actually, that's quite a coincidence because they just released the new Spider-Man trailer, new Spider-Man film trailer. So what have we got here? So we have got really bloody awesome prints. Oh, I like these. I really like these. Okay, so we've got Spider-Man, we've got the Green Goblin, which a makeup I definitely need to do at some point. Venom, Carnage, and yes, I've done Carnage, and a lot of people want to see me do a Venom makeup. It will happen, I promise. But for now, I mean, it'll probably turn out looking something like my Carnage makeup, just less, obviously, erratic. And back to Spider-Man again. So they're really, really random, but really, really cool. But they're completely blank on the other side. They're literally just prints. I'm not sure what I'll use them for, but I'll definitely think of something. And next, I think we're done. We've got the Lootcrate pin, and, oh, hang on. Oh, hang on. Oh, that's good. Okay, so they brought back the book. So they used to have the Lootcrate book, which says like different things about each item that you get, as well as a few little facts about the themes that surround the actual items, but they just stopped and they started doing like just that one-page pamphlet. Oh, that's good. I'm glad it's back. I missed this book. But I'll show you the pin now. So this says, screw your lab safety, I want superpowers. Oh my god, yes. Ha! I do love these pins. They're just like metal pins that clip on the back. Isn't that cool? Bloody love collecting them. I do hope the rest of the stuff gets delivered with October's crate, because otherwise I won't have a complete set of pins and that will drive me bloody bonkers. But yeah, so that's November's crate. The box does actually turn inside out and turn into something else, but I'll show you that at the end of the video so we can get onto the next box. So onto the next box, again, nice and heavy, thank God. This is December's box, which is Scavenge. I have no idea what that could translate to into a loot crate, but let's find out. Haha. But it's a massive box. Okay, so t-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. So once again, I'll show you it first. Bloop, bloop. It's a lovely colour. Ooh. Let's have a look. Okay, so they're like figures, they're models. Oh, it's got it. Okay, it's Dungeons and Dragons. It's all the dice. Love it. I still need to ask my friend Stacey to get me into this game because I know a fair bit about it, but I've not actually ever played it. I've always wanted to, and I know my friend Stacey plays it a lot, so I've got a fair amount of Dungeons and Dragons stuff now. Every now and again, Loot Crate comes with a few things. I know once they came with a like 20-sided dice, like ice cube tray mold thing, which was amazing. I bloody love like novelty ice cubes. I'm weird, but yeah, that's awesome. Okay, next we have a box, and the box is bam. Oh, it's Fallout. Oh, that's weird. That's very weird. Oh, okay. Right, so this is weird because literally about 4 days ago, I even tweeted about it, I started playing Fallout 76. And it's weird because I never usually play Fallout. I know Graham does a lot, Graham plays all of them. But I mean, when this game came out, which I think it might have been November actually, or December, either way, it was fairly recently, I bought it for him as one of his Christmas presents and it looked so interesting that I thought I'd get it for myself. So I literally just started playing it on PC. Little side note there, I shout out on Twitter whenever I go on there, so if you wanted to play with me, yeah, it'd be fun, the more the merrier. I know a lot of people are saying they don't enjoy Fallout 76, but I'm enjoying it, so that's really all that matters to me, so woo! Just a bit of a coincidence, really, but it's the first time I've actually got something from Loot Crate that's Fallout that I'll keep for myself and not give to Graham. It's mine, yeah. So, Fallout Fortune Finder perk. Oh my god, hang on. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, hang on, let me put this together. Recently, Loot Crate have started doing their own particular, like, figurines that all seem to go as like a pair. They all have the same disc base. They really look nice all together. Oh, isn't that good? Look at that. Oh, isn't it sweet? I love how much detail they put into these figurines. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, that's gonna live on my desk with the other ones I've got. Yay. Okay, so next we have this. What is this? So whatever it is, it's Transformers. So obviously it's a boombox, but I don't actually know. It's got like 3 pins on the back. Hang on, is the pin this month a giant boombox? No, it's, oh. Okay, I like this. I like this a lot. I haven't seen the new Transformers movie. It's on my list of films to see, but this is freaking cool. Look at that. It's 3 separate metal pins for the film Bumblebee. Isn't that cool? I mean, the brilliant thing about it is it doesn't matter that I've not seen the new film or not, does it? Because I've seen the Transformers movie, so this makes perfect sense to me. Isn't it lovely? I love my pins, as you all know, but this is just something else. I know a lot of my friends are going to be jealous about this, particularly my friend Chopper. He's going to be very jealous about this, so ha ha ha. I don't know what it is about metal pins, I just like collecting them. Like I've got lanyards, like loads of lanyards. Like whenever I get one from like a YouTube convention or a Comic-Con or something like that, I like to keep the lanyard and I've just put the pins in them. I've got a lot of Disney ones as well, and my Lootcrate ones, I've got about what? I want to say 36, 37 Lootcrate pins now, something like that. I've got a lot of them, I love them. So that's interesting. So I don't know if that's going to take place of the actual Lootcrate pin. Oh no, it's not. just... And so I wonder if that would take place of it, but it's not. I usually do this last, but I picked it up, so I'll do it now. So this is Lost in Space, hang on. So this is the December's Lootcrate pin. So as you can see there, it's for Lost in Space, which is another good Netflix series, actually. I think I'm on to episode 4 or 5. I need to catch up with that, but it's a really, really good series. That's really pretty, actually. I think that's meant to be the robot's face, which the new robot design, I wasn't in love with it. Like when I first saw it, obviously I'm used to the but what the fuck am I doing? Danger, danger, I'm not going to do this. I'm not doing this, no. I'm obviously used to, what the fuck is that? What am I doing? I'm used to that robot, but after a couple episodes, I proper fell in love with him. That sounds weird. You know what I mean, I like the design. Because robots are sexy. Moving on, no. Next. So this is an eye patch. John Carpenter's Escape from New York. Oh no, this is bound to happen. Okay, so I do need eye patches. I have a lot of costumes. I mean, all these drawers back there are full of costumes. I am lacking eye patches, so that's good. The downside is I've never seen Escape from New York, so this is gonna happen at some point. I'm very sorry. But no, so you've got an eye patch. Woo, I will put it on because fluff it. Yeah, eye patch. I'm not gonna wear this for the whole video, oh my God. So now I have another film I need to see, whoops. But it says it's made by John Carpenter, so it has to be good. I mean, I bloody love the thing, so I'll add that to my list of films. And lastly, we have, oh hang on, boom. So we have the Lootcrate book, which is for Scavenge, which again shows everything that's inside the crate. And the last object is, okay, I think it's a poster, but it's Escape from New York. Whoops. Let me know in the comments below if you think it's worth watching. I mean, if it is John Carpenter, it has to be good, but... Okay, so this is, oh, just cardboard to keep it safe. Okay, it's a really, really thick poster. That's a nice sound. Probably shouldn't do that. This is where I find out this is worth a fair amount, and I shouldn't have took it out of package, let alone make a musical instrument with it. Pretty though. Hopefully this will be one of those things where at the time I open and think, huh, okay, and then just put it away, but then I go and see the film later and I have to come back to it and go, oh, I actually really love that. But for now, I'll put it back into its packaging and put it back on the side. There we go. So the last thing to do is to turn the Lootcrate boxes inside out, because sometimes they become like an object or a diorama or something just to go with one of the items that you've got here. So I'm just going to go do that and we'll see what we've got. And here we are. Yay! So I'll do October's first, even though it was pretty much an empty box. I do apologise for that. It's going to annoy me till the end of time, but hey ho. So October's box is a shield, but you're meant to cut out the shield on the opposite side and prop it up against this. But as some of you know, I don't like cutting up my Lootcrate boxes. I like keeping them like whole like this because they just look really nice displayed. So I hope it's okay that I'm not going to cut this one out. I mean, it's a nice idea, but it just looks pretty like that, doesn't it? For the next one, which is November's crate, this is probably my favourite design they've done, purely because it looks like one of those awesome little 1950s, 1960s chemistry sets. Isn't that cool? Even the artwork on it, I love it. You know, the kind of sets that had crazy things in them, like they had tiny amounts of like really dangerous chemicals in them and silly things, and I'm sure you could have made dodgy things with them, but isn't that nice? I love that. Yeah. What did I say? Everything you need to start your future as a scientist. Vials, beakers, electrical doodads, plutonium, acid and more. I love it. And the last one, which is December's crate, actually looks quite awesome as it is, but again, this is one of those crates where you're meant to cut it out, but the front you're meant to leave it as it is, which is really bloody cool. And the back is actually Bumblebee, which you do cut him out. I would say cut out, you don't, you just push it through. And that's actually a really clever idea, and I do kind of want to do this one, but I'm not. Oh, I don't know. No, I'm not. But you cut it out and it becomes the car, but on the inside, that's really sweet actually. I like when they do stuff like this, but you can see on the inside of the car, there's Bumblebee. Oh, I love that. And yeah, so that's my Loot Crate unboxings. I'm very, very sorry, and we apologise until the end of time here that the October box didn't have anything in it other than a t-shirt. If you check my social media after I release this video, I'm sure I'm going to be talking about it, but yeah, I am sorry about that. I'm not going to research what should have been in the box because I still want it to be a surprise, and I know it will turn up after I get this redirection thing sorted out properly, but hey ho, at least I got the really cool t-shirt, because I do love Attack on Titan. There's actually another makeup I want to do from that series as well, because I've done obviously the Colossal Titan, and I've done Eren, but I need to do, no, you know what, I'm just making this video go on way too long than it needs to do. Back on track. I'm so bloody happy with all the things that came in these boxes. It's a shame I didn't get to see what was in October's one, but I'm sure it would have been awesome. My favourite things, which is going to be tricky to choose, I mean, I love my figurine from Fallout. That's pretty damn awesome. And I really, 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 really love the Los Polos Hermanos cup. This sounds really bad to say. I mean, this should just be like a silly little item, but to me it means a lot more just because it's hard plastic and it's sealable and it's Breaking Bad or Better Call Saul, which just makes me happy. The pins are beautiful. Like, these are really, really, really beautiful. I do love these. These are definitely going to get used super soon because I really, really, really want to add them to my collection. But that and the Westworld t-shirt, those are my favourite things from these boxes because look at that. Isn't that cool? God, that is such a good series. I could talk about Westworld for hours. God, I bloody love Anthony Hopkins. Anyway, moving swiftly on. So thank you all so much for watching my unboxing video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you wanted to collect Loot Crate for yourself, I'll flash a link on the screen there. That link will take you straight to my Loot Crate page. And if you enter the code Pinkstylist, you'll get some money off your orders, which is pretty bloody awesome. And yeah, so that's my unboxing video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I will mention again this makeup tutorial. If you wanted to learn how to do this, the link is in the description bar below. And if you like this video, please make sure to, you know the usual, like, comment, subscribe and all that jazz. And yeah, so until next time, bye fluffies!